Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the fava beans professionally. Then we are buying from outside and they mix in the restaurant. We will make it and it can live for a long time and its color will not change for black. Continue the video to know how we will make it after the intro break. To make the fava beans, we will need for washed and drenched beans for at least 2, 3, 4 hours, and 1 cup of lentils and peeled beans, garlic and 3 small pieces of lemon and 1 tomato. And for water, normal water. First, I will take a tray on high heat on the up of the oven and I will start to add the beans in this tray, garlic, lemon, tomato, and the lentil, also the peeled beans and the water. And the water have to be up of the beans for like 5 centimeters, so I will take like half of the amount of water that I added in the first time and I will add it in the beans until the water get up of the beans with 5 centimeters. And I will cover it and I will wait till it get boil and I will come back. Here it starts to boil. I will start to remove the rim up of the water and I will make the fire low and I will close it and leave it to get ready. And here we finish the fava beans that get ready. You can see also the liquid inside it. It's not so light, like little thick. Now I will drop it in a plate and I will come back. Here we finish the fava beans. You can see it's really soft from inside. When I put the fork on it, it gets squashed very fast because it's ready for eating and not thick from inside. So don't forget to try it and subscribe to my channel, write your comment, like for the video, share my videos for everyone you have, and bye, see you in the next video.